Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact table and column name in SQL Server Management Studio or via query. Use SIS, columns and SIS, tables to find the column and object ID. Once located, check for dependent objects. Views, functions, procedures, constraints, and indexes must be noted. Make a quick schema backup or script the table definition so you can restore if needed. This preparation prevents broken dependencies and lets you rename safely with now perform the rename using SB rename if you only change the column name. SB rename schema. Table. Old column, new column, column. Make sure you run this in the correct database context and that you have alter permission. Once done, search your codebase and database objects for the old name and update references. If the column participates in indexes or constraints, adjust or rebuild them. This avoids silent failures, where queries still reference the old column. Finish by validating the change. Run select queries, execute unit tests, and recompile dependent objects with SB refresh view or alter to ensure metadata sync. If you encounter errors, inspect SIS. SQL expression dependencies and the error messages to find broken bindings, then update or recompile those objects. If things went wrong and cannot be fixed quickly, revert using your scripted backup. One key troubleshooting tip. Missing metadata is often fixed by recompiling or refreshing views.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.